Hi friends, today's video is about bioterrorism. So in this video, we shall go through the definition, history, classification and prevention and preparedness. So what is bioterrorism? Bioterrorism is a form of terrorism. So itself means it is illegal where there is intentional and deliberate release of biological agents. So it can be bacteria, fungus, virus or their toxins to cause mass illness or death of people, animals, or plants. So, what are the key features for a bioweapon? First, it should produce high degree of mortality as well as morbidity. There should be a very high person to person spread with low infective dose, and rapid diagnostic methods should not be available. Vaccines or any other medications for the disease should not be available. So, the use of biological agents as a weapon is not a new concept. It has been used from very ancient times. So, going into the history, the first bioweapon used was Claviceps purpurae. It's a fungus. It was used in 6th century. Later on, in 14th century, the plague bacilli was used. In World War I, anthrax was used by the Germany to infect the mules and horses of enemies. In World War II, anthrax and plague bacilli were used by the Japanese against prisoners. So the latest attack was 2001 US World Trade Center attacks. So, in 2001, September 11, the terrorists hijacked about 4 airlines and they were made to crash on 4 prominent buildings of America. So after about 7 days, that is on September 18th, some letters were like this. Okay, some letters were mailed to the government offices as well as media centers, and all these letters contained the spores of anthrax. So what happened? Inhaling these spores, about 5 deaths and other 22 cases were reported. So classification, according to the priority, it has been classified as category A, B and C. So category A, it is the highest, it's the first priority agents. Okay, it can be easily disseminated, result in high degree of mortality, causes public panic and social disruption. So the examples include anthrax, botulism, plague, smallpox and hemorrhagic viruses. Category B, they are moderately easy to disseminate, result in moderate morbidity rates and low mortality rates. They include the typhus fever, brucellosis, psittacosis, food threats such as Salmonella shigella and water threats such as Vibrio cholerae. Category C. So, these are the third priority agents. Actually, they are the emerging pathogens. So, what happens? Our general common community lacks immunity against this. Okay. So it can be engineered for mass dissemination in the coming future. So they have potential for high mortality as well as morbidity. They include the Nipah virus, hantavirus, the SARS and MERS coronavirus, pandemic influenza virus, MTR-TB and yellow fever virus. So finally, the prevention and preparedness. So after this 2001 anthrax attack, the US government made a network for emergency response against the coming possible bioterrorist attacks. So the network includes 2 main organizations or 2 main bodies, that is the National Institute of Health as well as the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. So the objectives of these bodies include understanding the basic biology of potential bioterrorism agents, understanding the interaction between the human immune system and these microorganisms, to develop the vaccines as well as drugs against this, to develop the tools to quickly and accurately diagnose the disease, and finally to develop biodefense research programs. So two examples for each. So category 1, this is, as we know, it is anthrax. Then B, smallpox. Then coming to category B, this is something related to parrots, that is psittacosis, and this is Vibrio cholerae. Okay. Category C, this is a popular image. Actually, this happened in Kerala 2018, the latest attack. So this is Nipah, and finally this is Corona. So that's about bioterrorism. Hope you understood and thanks for watching. If you like it, kindly subscribe. Bye bye.